to Friends in Beauty, a place for beauty industry creatives looking to create impact, influence, and longevity. I'm your best friend in beauty, Aquia Robinson, and in today's video, I want to try something new with you. I'm going to be trying out these lashes, these magnetic lashes and liner from Envy. So I wanted to try out some magnetic lashes because a lot of my friends in beauty and my clients have been asking me if I've ever tried magnetic lashes before, and I actually tried it one time. It was several years ago. It was an epic fail. I want to say the lashes were from Ardell, and I actually know how to put on my lashes now. It actually took me a long time to, learn how to put my lashes on, but I know how to put on a lash. And those lashes were so hard to put on, those magnetic lashes were so hard to put on that I was like, well, if somebody that knows how to put on a lash can't figure this out, then for sure somebody who doesn't know how to put on a lash is not going to have a good time with this. So I wanted to try out this one because the Ardell ones that I tried a few years ago were kind of like it was like a stack. So it was one that was supposed to go at the top and then at the bottom to like connect the magnet or whatever, but this one is a liner and lash. So you put the liner on and then you pop the lash on. So I'm guessing that if you know how to put on eyeliner, then putting on these magnetic lashes should be a breeze. So let's see what this thing says. It says quick and easy magnetic liner and lash, lasts up to 16 hours, wind resistant, reusable, and no smudge. It has 5 magnets on the lash line of the lash, or the lash band. It has 5 magnets. Let's see. 2 easy steps. Line with Envy magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait for the formula to dry. Then second, lash right on top of the applied eyeliner. So it sounds pretty simple. They do give you the tip of, applying your regular eyeliner first and then doing the magnetic liner on top. So I already have eyeliner on because this thing is a liquid eyeliner, and liquid eyeliner and me are not friends. It's very hard for me to control liquid eyeliner, so I put it on my liner first so I can have a guide as to where to go. So I'm opening this thing up. I want to try this thing out because if this is good, this might be like my go-to. I'm gonna let my friends in beauty know what's up. So gotta shake this thing up, shake up the liner, shake up the liner, and let's try this out. I am so nervous because I hope they got it right this time. People be struggling with lashes, man. So I'm gonna apply this as close as I can to my lash line. I am so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous right now. Okay, let me calm down. I'm gonna apply this to my lash line. This ain't better work. That's all I'm saying. Let me go in a little further. And it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to cut the lash either. I'm doing the Wispy 01 lashes. I love wispy lashes on myself. I don't like, big dramatic lashes. I look crazy. I cannot pull that off. That's not my look. But there are some people who can wear those big dramatic lashes. Me, I need something simple, and it definitely brings my eyes out. So go on the other side, and I'm doing short strokes. I'm not trying to draw one line at one time. I'm doing short strokes at a time. And I'm guessing the key is to get this as close to your lash line as possible because I'm imagining that the magnet is going to adhere to wherever this liner is. Whew. All right. So that's that. I can tell by the way that it looks that it's drying on this side. It doesn't have like that wet look. You can't probably see it on the camera, but I can see it with my naked eye that this one is a lot more wet looking than this one is drying. So it says to slide the lashes off of here, not to pull them off. So I'm going to do my right eye first. So if you don't know, I always teach my students this way. If you don't know where what eye goes with what lash goes with what eye. If you hold the lashes in front of your eye, then this is the right and this is the left. So let me go ahead and slide these off. Oh, that came off really, really easy. Super easy compared to other lashes. All right, moment of truth. So I'm going to use a tweezer. And let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I do feel like something was trying to grab at the lash. Let me come a little bit closer with my mirror. This is weird. Oh no. I don't know. So it's definitely on there in the front. Oh, is that maybe what I gotta do? I gotta pinch them together. I don't know. I mean, it's staying, but I don't know. What you think? It's staying, but it's not. I feel like one of the magnets is not really. It's hard to explain. I feel like one of the magnets is not really adhering in a particular place. Let me try the other side and see. I might have to put on more liner because it did say to apply like a couple of coats of liner. So let me try the left lash and see what happens. Like, it's on there. Like, it looks good, but I feel like you can still see. I feel like I gotta move it down. All right. Live reaction. Talking myself through this, and it's interesting. I could actually feel like the magnet part like trying to pull and adhere. That one went on a lot easier. Oh, okay, I'll say. Let me see. I gotta use my hand. In the front is acting a little wonky on this side, so maybe I need, because I don't know if you can see, but it's lifting. Maybe I need some more liner. So let me try that on both sides. Actually, take it. It is so easy to take off. Yes, that's what I like about it already. Let me apply some more liner and see if that helps. I hope it don't look too messy now. And like with most lashes, I'm gonna give a little bit extra love to the ends because it seems like the ends, oh gosh, I might have to just go with it and make a wing now. It seems like most ends always lift up anyway. So on this side, on my left side, was having a little bit of trouble. Do like a baby wing since it decided it wanted to, you know, do something over there. So now I gotta do it on both sides. So, all right. At least we know it's good for wing eyeliner. All right, so let me go ahead and try, let this dry a little bit again. It might work. It might work. It's very close. It's very close. So let's see. I like to apply my lashes with tweezers. It normally helps, but with this, I feel like you might be able to do this with your hand, for real. I think you might be able to do this with your hand. I got a little bit of glue on here. That's why it's acting up. That's a little bit better. I'm still not like 100% satisfied with the placement. That's a little better. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Let me try the other side, see what they look like. I think the thing that you have to play around with is that the fact that since it is magnetic, the liner is kind of pulling it before you have an actual chance to put it down in the place where you want it to be. That's what I'm experiencing right now. But what I do like about this is that, you know how sometimes when you put a lash on and you put it in the wrong position and then you got to kind of lift it up and all that stuff. That's what I'm doing now, and it's not making a mess. I'm not mad at it. I think what I'm going to do is press them together with my natural lash so I could really get down to my lash line. I'm not mad at it. This is way better than the Ardell lashes that I tried years ago. What do you think? How do I look? I'm actually going to wear these lashes out today and see how they work out in the elements. I'll probably give you an update on my Instagram to let you know how that goes, because I won't be able to tell you that by the time this video goes up. But I got them on. I got them on. So I would say next time when I try this out again, I'm definitely going to do 2 coats, because on the back it does say do maybe 2 or 3 coats of the liner. So definitely 2 to 3 coats of the liner, doing my liner first, having some kind of guideline to go with this, and then applying the magnetic lash. I actually like it. I'm not mad at it. This like, once I get the hang of it, this might be a quick and easy way to, you know, do lashes, because normally when I do my makeup, wearing lashes or not normally determines the length of time it's going to take me to finish my makeup. But this was pretty, you know, pretty simple. So I would say definitely give it a try. For my friends in beauty who don't know how to put on lashes on themselves, or my clients out there, I definitely will recommend the magnetic liner and lash from EnvyMagnetic. Very easy to use once you get the hang of it. It didn't take me, it's not that much of a learning curve. I recommend it. Friends in beauty, your best friend in beauty, Aquia, recommends this lash. All right. Is there anything else that you want me to try out? Comment below and let me know. This was just something quick and easy that I wanted to try out, since a lot of people have been asking me about magnetic lashes. So I definitely recommend the EnvyMagnetic magnetic liner and lash combo. They do have different styles that I saw. I got these from the beauty supply store. They do have different styles of lashes that you can use, but this one was just perfect for me compared to the other styles that they had. I knew this one was going to look good on me. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below if you have any other recommendations for things that you want me to try. Follow Friends in Beauty and follow me on social media. My personal page is Aquia Robinson, and also follow Friends in Beauty. If you are a friend in beauty, definitely join the Friends in Beauty Facebook community so you can network and share resources with some other friends in beauty. Also, tune into the Friends in Beauty podcast and subscribe to Friends in Beauty here on YouTube. Like this video if you liked it, and share it with another friend in beauty. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.